York International. Its customers and projects are in every region of the world.
More and more of our customers are looking for global solutions, and what we see with our group here in York, Pennsylvania, being the glue that holds that together, and certainly is the way of getting the full strength of York International behind any of our customers' needs.
When you look at the projects that are the most complex, the most difficult projects, the most highly engineered projects, who do people come to? They'll tend to come to York International.
Today's HVAC and refrigeration customers are truly global. The owner may be based in one country, while the job location, the building contractor, and the design engineering firms are located in 3 or 4 or more locations around the world. York's business depends on serving these global customers based in multiple countries, involving different languages, equipment codes, cultures, currency, taxes, design conditions, and people. What effectively organizes these complex jobs, and what keeps the global York job running smoothly and the customer's needs satisfied. York Global Sales. York International's global sales in York, Pennsylvania becomes the conduit between the multinational customers and York's multinational facilities and offices chosen to be a part of the project team.
The main function of this department is to coordinate and facilitate all the multinational projects we do for our big customers who are very global in nature.
The engineering companies that we have to work with, and the construction managing companies that we have to work with, and also the local installers or contractors. All of those people have to be on the same page to understand and to accomplish our goals and getting the same level of service.
For example, a major microchip company headquartered in California is building a new plant in Malaysia. The team contracted is also multinational. Its design engineering consultants have locations in Ohio, Germany, and Australia, while the project management and construction is handled through local companies based in Malaysia. As with many industries, the HVAC and refrigeration specifications are highly complex and critical to the sensitive production process. And as in many industries competing globally, expediting time to market and in a quality manner is crucial to the success of the business.
We are trying to differentiate ourselves from our competitors by providing a seamless approach to our customers.
When the seamless approach is not in place, there are many opportunities for error and many opportunities for failure in a project.
York Global Sales supports its customers' international projects by organizing a York multinational team of experts that work together without global restrictions or boundaries, ensuring a strong, consistent communication between all entities.
When you are approached to be a strategic partner by one of your customers, I think that implies drop your barriers, give me all your resources, and show me what your capabilities are, and mold those together to suit my needs.
And we work to interface with each of these entities so that we can help bring to the owner the best application, whether it be equipment or services, at the right price.
One of the things that we also see with these customers is that they're looking for a single point of contact. They want one person to deal with within York International.
In other words, if you're a customer, you can approach any sales office in the world and work in a project in another part of the world.
So that's why we value the fact that we have a single point of contact at the beginning of the project where they would put the entire package together as a single point and address all the technical requirements and basically utilize all of York's facilities, worldwide in order to submit a package that is competitive and is also meeting the technical aspects of the project.
York is structured so that any office contacted can become that single point of contact, who enlists the international expertise of York Global Sales, providing a seamless approach to international projects.
We are sort of his help desk. We tell him who will be his counterpart at the destination location, what he should do, what he should not do.
We do have experts around the world who know the local regulations and products, but to have that one person or two people in York, Pennsylvania who know where to go to get what done is extremely important.
We have the ability now to work with specifications or even equipment for that particular client based upon their needs and the requirements of where their job site location is located.
It's important for us to remember that we're trying to serve our customer. So when they have a request, be it in Ireland, be it in Puerto Rico, or be it in North America, we have to take the initiative to negotiate the channels within our organization to come up with a solution for them.
And what we enjoy most with York is the ability to communicate at various levels inside the organization. Specifically the local York representatives that have the ability to impact the project on a day-to-day basis, working with perhaps the local engineering team or the local construction manager to make sure that the information flow is appropriate.
One of the benefits of dealing with a one point of contact with York on a global scale especially is that that person really takes ownership of the package that you're procuring from them, and they see through all the details and all the things that are going on behind the scene and take care of that for me.
One of the advantages from the customer point of view is when they deal with York, they are getting the benefit of the best practices in the industry.
It's obvious that the equipment manufacturer such as York is basically the entity that we're going to rely on with technical experience and expertise. Although we're the general contractor on the job, the client knows that York is the supplier of the equipment, and over the years they have developed a level of comfort with the equipment and with the material that they provide on our jobs.
Best practices means York's expertise provides the best solution for the customer's needs. Fundamental to this is to select, install, and service the HVAC and refrigeration equipment in the most economical, efficient, and quality-driven way possible, anywhere in the world. This includes identifying the York location for product sourcing that will most benefit the customer, be it a plant local to the job site or sourcing from a combination of several from within York's global network of facilities. It includes obtaining information on local codes, climate, buying procedures, and internationally produced products, investigating international shipping modes and local duty and tax, strategic account management, and ensuring that on-site installation is managed and supervised by a qualified York team of professionals, followed by service for the life of the customer's project.
York offers the support that we need to do business for our customers in their global locations.
Embraco is a Whirlpool company. They have plants and industrial plants in Brazil, is the headquarters, but also in Italy and Slovakia and China. The designer consultant, the HVAC consultant, is the same for all.
As a design engineer in Brazil, it would be impossible for me to know all the different codes, regulations, taxes, duties, freight systems. And York makes it possible for me to handle my customer's job anywhere in the world.
There's no one else out there that has the ability to do this the way that York International has the ability to do this today.
Torres is a very known fruit producer in the whole world. In Chile they have many plants. We are proud to be their supplier of service and equipment. They use almost only York equipment in their plants.
We have York people in all these countries working on the same project, the same way, same ideas.
Some of the pitfalls of not dealing with a global company is your business is at risk. If to focus on the customer, I find it hard to believe that you can succeed.
That's the best codes, utilizing the most economical and effective combination of York resources and products.
If you don't have speed of response time, if you don't have good communication, if you don't have continuity within your organization,
imported or local. York supports every equipment installation with its team of AFT solution and the most suitable product offering, based on design, job conditions, sales service professionals, the largest service organization in the world.
That's one of the tremendous strengths that we have within York, is the strength of our service and sales organizations together.
Over 5,000 expert York technicians are part of York's factory-trained and owned global service network.
The strongest thing that York brings to the table is that we're not there for a single sale. We're there to build a relationship with the customer so that they know we're going to be with them yesterday, today, and tomorrow.
We have a lot of power within the group or within the company that offers a unique ability to build almost anything for anybody, anywhere, and service it after the fact.
And then I look at the organization that pulls all of that together, which is the global sales organization, and makes it happen successfully for us, and more importantly, makes it happen successfully for the customer.
The York Global Sales mission is to provide one solution, a seamless approach to international projects, providing worldwide support to our customers from startup to after-sales service.